You guys are going to love this. This might be the best customizable keyboard on the market by Mountain with a display pad. You know, we got to check this out. Whoop. And you know what they say? I'm a sucker for unboxing. Take note now, this is the RGB gaming keyboard Everest Max with modular numpad media dock. Look at all the things that you're going to be able to do. I love that they use magnets for this. Just that extra mile. Look at this. Look at this. And compartments. Starting from right, you have your USB cable, you have your number pad, you have your media dock, and you have your customization, probably your kits and everything. You have your customizable keyboard and a wrist rest that connects to it, which I will show. One thing I'm already loving is that it's magnets. So boom, and you are connected right into it. Need the keyboard higher? You have magnets that will just go right here. Look at that. Now you have some elevation, still have your wrist rest. Plenty more you can change as well. So you're adding on your media dock. You're wondering, where should I put this? Mountain has you covered. There's multiple USB-C spots. For me, I'm gonna connect right here. Most of the time I wouldn't even use a number pad, but for this I have to. Display up top. Do you want it on the right or the left side? Because you can put it on either. Move this to the right or left, connect, and you're good to go. There are cables, and then there's Mountain cables that, I mean, this has to be at least 2 to 3 feet. Got an adapter, threaded, really loving this. I do think it's important to mention, if you turn this upside down, you're gonna have ways to run your wire however you want to run it. That's genius. And before we look at the display pad, let's connect it. The logo right here, here we go. And then you have your touch pads right here as well. Manual for all your hotkeys, etc. As you can see, hit folder, pops up your folders. And the cool thing, these are all customizable, so you can change these. With that being said, let's look at the display pad. More magnets, innovation, performance, aesthetics, customization. Multiple ways to use this. I'm gonna connect it right here, put it right here, remove this plastic. It's like a speedometer for your keyboard. You'll click the Mountain that pops up here, and then from there, you can start assigning keys. So I'm on this one right here, link it, hit done, done. And then as you can see, I've combined all the keys. For these, I'm going to use as Illustrator and Photoshop for myself, and then take the dial on a speed run with everything that I can do. Again, this is the Mountain RGB Gaming Everest MAX Keyboard. I review a ton of different tech. Don't forget to like, follow, comment for more. The link to going to this page will be in my bio. Whoop.